most of your shower habits actually be causing you more harm than good. You might take great comfort in taking your showers, but that does not mean you are doing it the perfect way. Here are 6 ways you may be showering wrong. Leaving your loofah in shower. Loofah is a great way to scrub your body to clean and remove all the dead cells and dead skins from your skin. But leaving that in the bathroom after shower when it is not completely dry is not healthy at all. It will cause nasty stuff such as bacteria to start growing. Always wash your loofah thoroughly after shower and then hang it in a dry place. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Taking showers. To be relaxed, nothing can ever beat a fresh long shower. But we need to know long showers are not good for your skin at all. Generally, you should always shower for 5 to 10 minutes because long showers will strip your skin's much needed moisture, which will leave it feeling dry and itchy. Rubbing yourself with a dry towel. Rubbing yourself with a dry towel and friction will aggravate your soft and delicate skin. If you are drying yourself too roughly, that's simply damaging your skin. Simply pat yourself lightly with your towel until it dries. Do not rub or scrub your skin with the towel. The water temperature is too hot. A hot shower feels great on winter's morning or after a long hard work. But that hot shower isn't great for your skin or your hair at all. It removes too much of your natural oils. That's why hot water works better in cleaning something like greasy pan. It also causes the skin to turn red due to increased blood circulation, as your skin is more likely to flake and your hair is more likely to frizz. Washing your hair every day. If you shampoo your hair very frequently, you may stripping it from its natural oils. That's why you should always avoid washing your hair every day. Shampooing your hair for not more than 2 times will work great in maintaining its moisture and to keep the balance of your hair's natural oils. Delaying to apply moisturizer. If you wait for a long time after a shower before applying your moisturizer, then you are doing it wrong. It is best to apply your skin lotion or moisturizer when your skin is still damp. Simply pat yourself dry lightly with a towel and then apply your moisturizer immediately after. Use your fingernails to scrub your scalp. Using fingernails to scrub your scalp feels good, but don't use those fingernails as it causes more harm than good. That's because they can scratch the scalp, which may cause flaking. Avoid using your fingers' nails and use just your fingertips to work up a lather while shampooing. Don't get aggressive when rubbing those strands of your hair, as you could end up with damage and split ends. Overdoing the shower gel. As we all just love shower gels, and it's the scent or the fun of lathering up. Unless you are 3 years old and playing around in the bath, there's really no excuse. It strips the skin of its natural oils and makes it harsh. In addition to making your skin itch, it can also aggravate problems like eczema. You use deodorant soap. When you've developed a habit of using particular soap and skin gel, then it can be very hard to give one of them up. But if you are using a deodorant, then it's one habit you really need to change or break immediately. That's because the harsh chemicals, fragrances and other ingredients tend to strip the moisture out of your skin. Perhaps the next time you shop for soap, watch out for ingredients like formaldehyde, triclosan and parabens, all of which are known to aggravate the skin and cause dryness and dermatitis.